there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner. Today we're covering the changelog topics from September 6th through September 27th, 2021. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. Under Setup, Data Cleaner, in the venue-based section, the reassign events from one venue to another data cleaner now includes an option to reassign emails at the same time. Next, regarding website tools, in the instant quote, if you have a booking helper automation set to run when an event is added to the system, that booking helper will now run if you have Auto Add Event turned on for the instant quote in Settings under the Quote Submission tab. Next, log on as one of your employees and click on their event information options. We have added a more visually appealing card view of events on the employee information pages. Now on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. On the request for information and instant quote inbox messages, we have adjusted the code to be case sensitive when searching by email address. The system will also look for partial email matches in the client database in case users have entered a comma-separated list. Next, please go to an event in your account, then edit in the upper right corner. We have adjusted the Save button so it can't be accidentally clicked twice by giving it a slight visual change to indicate that it's been clicked. Due to multiple DJEP users wanting different calculation rates for overtime calculations, we have added a new overtime settings option, which is a company-wide setting. Go to Setup, Application, Event Form, then the Financials tab. Look for overtime settings in the lower right corner. This setting allows you to set how you want your overtime to be calculated. There are two options. The prorated option means that the hourly rate applies on a per-minute basis like it did originally. Half-hour rates are never used in calculations and are stored in the system purely as a reference if you've entered a value. By default, the setting will be set to prorated. The fixed rate, with this option, the hourly and half-hourly rate applies. Half-hourly rates will be applied up to the first 30 minutes. If an event goes over the 30-minute overtime mark, then the overtime is rounded up to the nearest hour. And we have made a number of small tweaks and UI updates throughout the software, including the Instant Quote Select package scrolling to the bottom of the page, employee event lists, SMS message lists, and others. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, September 6th through September 27th, 2021. Please note any continued changes and improvements to our beta features. As always, you can find the latest updates to our changelog by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can also view the changelog in full window view by clicking on View the Changelog option.